This 2024 Newmar Dutch Star 4369 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 43 feet 9 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Stratton Decor, Driftwood Glazed Maple Hardwood interior, sleeps 4, auxiliary battery, self-contained, leveling jacks, slideout, refrigerator, TV antenna, LP detector, smoke detector, stove top burner, external shower, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2024 Newmar Dutch Star 4369 is built on a Freightliner XCR Tag chassis and is powered by a Cummins L9, 450 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.